This is RHung. Today I'm going to unpack a computer I've been looking forward to. I have been playing with DIY computers for a long time. However, I've never tried to assemble an open water cooling system. As you can see, almost all my videos have integrated water cooling. The main reason is, in the past, if you wanted to assemble an open water cooling system, it was very troublesome to design the waterway and to know what joints or pipes to use. So why did I just say that this was a thing of the past? Because now, finally, a manufacturer has introduced this, Bitspower Titan 1 2.0. It is equipped with a Lian Li O11D chassis, and the factory has already set up a water cooling combination in advance and pre-installed some water cooling accessories. You can have an open water cooling computer simply by purchasing a few other pieces of hardware. Let's unpack the Titan 1 2.0 right now. Here we have the Titan 1 2.0 today without any added water. Similarly, the original product from the factory did not have any water added. That's because this is a DIY kit for consumers. Other people like to add a bunch of different colors, so users can choose Bitspower coolant or add pure water. However, I recommend Bitspower coolant and purified water. I added this Bitspower coolant in this bottle of Bitspower red dye. Later, I will use this water adding device to add the coolant. Lian Li's O11D chassis is special. Before disassembly, remove the screws of the upper plate. Then remove the back plate and glass plate. When Titan 1 2.0 leaves the factory, it comes pre-installed with Bitspower's own Terresk 2 360 radiator and 3 12cm Notos RGB fan, as well as the front waterway board. The CPU block and bent hard tube and fittings are things you'll need to do yourself. As for this DIY computer, the Titan 1 2.0 has saved me a lot of time. Now, if I go to a store to discuss the design of waterway pipelines and how many accessories to buy, I'll be really enthusiastic about water cooling. The ready-made design of this water cooling system works well for me. For users with only a little DIY experience, installing the remaining parts will be easy. Use this water dispenser to hold the water-cooled liquid. Open the coolant and add it to the container. Then add it to the water channel plate through the container. I've never used an open water cooling system before. I've been waiting for this a long time and I'm looking forward to it. Pour the coolant into the bottle and apply a little force. This container is about 500 milliliters. I can add 1,000 milliliters, but I decided to add only container first. I found this container was labeled as 500 milliliters, but it actually contains 520 milliliters. Not bad. Now open the screw for the water hole. You can turn it down by hand. Now add water. Put the pipe in and squeeze it down. Add the water and do it gently. Going in. The water column rises slowly. Bubbles are coming up. This is awesome. Okay, add up to 70% for the first time. Turn on the computer and let the water run into the pipe. When the water level drops, add more water. Press the switch button. Okay. Turn off the computer, then adding water. My God, DIY is so much fun. Adding water to this cooling system is really convenient. Press the switch button. Repeat several times. Make sure it's filled with water. Start a cycle. Now drop the red dye into it. A historic moment. Add it in. Add it all in. Cool. 15 milliliters is enough. Okay, done. Water cooling is really fun. A 500 milliliter tank of water-cooled liquid is enough. After a while, water may be added or changed for maintenance. Let's get a close-up shot with the camera. Black chassis with red and RGB. Look at it from a distance. Looking great. If you look closely, you can see the water flowing. It's so cool. After that, you can drain water. It's convenient to use. Looking at it from the front, it's really beautiful. I'm going to fill it up. There are no bubbles in the water pipe. The water cooling system will look like this after a while. There is no bubbles now. Water cooling system is working well. Oh, I nearly forgot to tell you. The accessory package of Titan One 2.0 is made for users to DIY. The expansion joint on the hard pipe can be loosened to adjust the length. And then this slider can move up and down. And move left-right. It can work with most motherboards and CPUs on the market, and the buckle is suitable for AMD's AM4. The backplate of the Titan One 2.0 supports Intel 1700, and other backplates are also compatible with most CPUs on the market. The soft tube can drain water. Attach this tube to the valve. Loose this plug to drain water. You can see the water drain away. The Titan One 2.0 kit has everything. Start testing Titan One 2.0. Let's see how Titan One 2.0 water cooling system cools the CPU temperature. Before test, introduce hardware we use this time. Use IDA64 to test computer. Push the CPU to 100% performance. The CPU temperature will be maintained between 59 and 60 degrees Celsius. At first, i9 9900K is used closed water system. Temperature is at 70 degrees Celsius. But Titan One 2.0 make temperature low 10 degrees Celsius. Play GTA 5 to test. Graphic card uses GTX 1080. GTX 1080 usage rate 92. Graphic card temperature is 68 degrees Celsius. i9 9900K usage rate 55. Temperature is 60 degrees Celsius. GTA 5 seemed not so hard to open water cooling system. Test Castle of Evil Spirit 8 Village. GTX 1080 usage rate 98. Graphic card temperature is 70 degrees Celsius. CPU usage rate 74. I think the temperature will break 70 degrees Celsius. But no matter how I fire a rifle grenade, the temperature did not break 72 degrees Celsius. Maybe God of War will make that happen. Graphic card temperature is 72 degrees Celsius. i9 9900K usage rate 63. I think the temperature will break 70 degrees Celsius. Check temperature. Well, around 60 degrees Celsius. Guys, I have to do my best. Today's unboxing test was very good. Besides keeping the CPU's temperature low, this hard tube water channel and front reservoir really helped to make the whole machine awesome. That RBG really adds to the feeling of the finished product, and I'm really confident about the chassis. Moreover, all the water-cooled accessory are BitsPower's own products, so users can feel assured about their quality. For all of you lazy ones out there, this Titan One 2.0 makes it easy. If, like me, you want to use a cold water system but are concerned about the difficulty, the BitsPower Titan One 2.0 is indeed a good choice. That's all. Bye-bye, everyone.